Hello everyone. Today we're diving into Gantt charts, a critical tool in project management that helps you plan, visualize, and track progress with ease. I went ahead and created Tasks app and added a couple of fields that we'll be using throughout this video. But for now, let's start by setting up our Gantt chart. First, I'll create a new dashboard and add the Gantt chart to it. Then in the settings, I'll select the title, start date, and end date. And just like that, our Gantt chart is now ready to use. You can effortlessly edit existing records by dragging or resizing them directly within the chart. Additionally, you can create new tasks and milestones right from the Gantt chart interface. For instance, let's add titles for 3 new records, and then set their dates directly from the chart. Now that our Gantt chart is set up, it's time to customize it to meet our specific needs. To get started, open the widget settings. From there, you can select a user field. This will display the users assigned to each task. To enable color formatting, you can navigate to the Formatting tab and select a field in the Color Formatting option. In this case, I'll use the Status field. Now, completed, to-do, and in-progress tasks are shown in green, yellow, and red respectively. Next, let's look at the progress option. For this, you can use a number or formula field. Once enabled, the chart will display progress as a percentage directly within the records. To display task dependencies in the chart, start by establishing a self-referencing app relationship. Once set up, you can click on the small circle next to a record, and then click on another record to create the link. To remove a dependency, simply click on the existing link and confirm the changes. You can further organize your records by grouping them using a user, select, or an app relationship field. For this video, I'll group the records by projects. Once grouped, you can still edit records or move them between groups as needed. Lastly, you can display additional columns on the left-hand side of the chart. For example, I'll add the Assigned To and Summary fields. These columns can be resized to fit your needs. Otherwise, you can hide the left panel entirely to gain a clearer and more focused view of the timeline. That concludes our tutorial on using Gantt charts in Fusioo. I hope you found it helpful, and thank you for watching.